Okay, let's see how to create a GitHub repository. So go in github.com after you installed Git and created an account on github.com, and click on new. Then give it a name like skatetime, and then you can add a readme file. Okay, once you created this one, you can go into your hard drive and go here, for example, and create. And no, don't create anything, just go here, click on this one, copy this code, and then go here and call the command line from here and do git clone, paste the address and close. So now you created your skatetime things, and now I got my little project in my temporary folder here. I copy it, and then I go in skatetime, I paste it here, then I open something like this, and if I use Sublime Text, I can go and use terminal here, but you can also do differently. You can just go into from here, call the command line from here, and then I do have a shortcut. I just do commit, it will do everything for me, but I will explain that that one in another video. For the moment, just do git add and do git commit and first commit, and then git push. Okay, now it will upload everything. Okay, now we should be done. If you go on GitHub, this was the starting point. Now that we have committed everything, we find our file here, and that's how I do when I want to create a new GitHub repository. Thank you.